people fail at two-legged arbitrage because they treat gold exactly like they treat euro-dollar. They use small gaps, they get eaten alive by a spread, and then they blame the software. Today, we stop guessing. We are building a professional, robust set file for gold using settings that actually respect the volatility of the asset. Open your WesternPips. Let's build the blueprint together. First, the basics. Go to Algorithm Settings. In Digit, make sure this is set in number 2 for standard gold contracts. Set entry mode to gap. We are trading the pure price inefficiency between brokers. In slot count, set this to 1. We want to master one single trade every cycle before we start opening grids. Discipline first. This is where beginners lose money. If you leave open gap at 50 or 60 on gold, you are not trading, you are feeding the broker's commission. You are trading noise. For gold, we need real divergence. Change open gap to 250. This tells the bot, do not wake up for pennies. Only wake up when you see at $2.50 difference. This ensures there is enough meat on the bone to pay both spreads and profit. Now, the exit strategy. Enable use close gap. In close gap PT, set this to -10. Why negative? We do not want to exit at 0. We want prices to cross slightly in our favor to cover slippage. Min lock duration, set this to 2000 seconds. Gold is volatile. Give the trade room to breathe before panicked closing. Finally, safety markers. Set your stop loss to 2000. Remember, in two-leg, your real protection is the hedge itself. One buys, one sells. This 2000 point stop in only a catastrophic emergency break, like if a server disconnects. Do not choke your trade. You now have a solid, logically sound baseline set file for gold, but a blueprint is not a building. Does it actually work in the past? In the next video, we take this set file to the simulation lab and we will audit the results. Do not skip it. See you in the next video.